We'll guide you through how to turn off navigation button sound and back button sound. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you may not go and like it, we can go and stop it. What you need to do is go and swipe up like so and open the settings. In here, you need to come down and go and find sounds and vibration. Now you need to go and find the option system sound and you can go and tap there. Now what you need to do is go and switch off touch interactions. This is what the sound is, so you can go and turn it off. Now when you go and use these buttons, you're going to find the sound no longer is there. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.